Most Shopify store fail not because of ads but because of basic setup mistake. Today I am going to audit a Shopify store and show you exactly why it's not making sales. If you have a Shopify store or planning to start on, this video can save you month of mistake. Hello everyone, this is Anirban and I am a professional Shopify store developer and e-commerce consultant. I work with global clients on Shopify store setup, optimization and product research. Also work on Amazon project. In this video, I will break down a real Shopify store and explain what I normally fix for my client. Let's jump into the store. Okay, so you can see I open a Shopify store. You can see this is a Shopify store and this is a clothing brand. This store is not making sales, so I audit this store and explain with you. First mistake, the home page. When visitor lands here, they don't immediately understand what this store sells, who it's for and why they should trust it. You can see the store owner input a background video on homepage and this video section has no clear headline, no instant call to action or no brand history. And if you see the down, they can use a image gallery section, and this image is not a professional image, this is a basic product image. And down you can see the here he can use collection list section and he put the 3 collection. If he here input or add a collection list, so it's more professional. Here he can use 3 icon and text, it's good. Also he can use in the newsletter section. Now let's open a product page. You can see I open a product page and let's check the product description. Here I see very quick product description. There's no benefit page writing and the image gallery section, no lifestyle image and no emotional connection. A product page is not just information, it's your sales page. For my client project, I always optimize product copy, image structure, text badge and review placement. Next big issue, trust. This store has a no review section, no clear contact info, no about us. So people don't buy from this store if they don't trust. Even your ads are perfect, without trust signal, conversation will be very low. Let's about our checkout page. Okay, so let's open a product page and add to cart. Her cart page is good. Click on complete order to see her checkout page. This store has an unnecessary field and the checkout structure is poor layout, and this is checkout has a no urgency. In my consulting or checkout optimization alone sometimes increase conversation by 20 to 30%. So overall, this store is failing because the weak homepage, poor product presentation, no trust, no reviews, broken conversation follow. These are exactly our things I fix for Shopify client every week. If you already have a Shopify store and it's not converting, or if you are planning to launch professionally, I provide Shopify store setup, redesign, store audit, and e-commerce consulting. You can contact me directly on WhatsApp or email. All links are in description. I professionally review a store and give real action plan. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Ecom with Anirban for honest e-commerce guidance. See you in next video.